1, crescendo.
Here we go. It's the finals, baby, of the first ever Leviathans Robotics Rampage. Alliance number 3 in red, Alliance 1 in blue. Here comes a shot from Loretto Lightning, just a bit low. They'll reload and get one into that blue speaker. One more as autonomous period ends. Drivers step up, take the controls. We're tied, 29-29. These two alliances have met once before. Alliance 3 in red took the first victory, but Alliance Blue has something to say about it. They want to come back and punch their win at the inaugural Lure event. We see 25-31 over in red, folding down that intake. They've got 2 in the red amp, up and in. They're going to start that amplification period. Here comes 99.90 to follow. 87.44, just a bit short, but that will give them several notes scored with worth 5 points apiece. With just like that, 25-31, back to filling up the amp. Meanwhile, in blue, we see Loretto Lightning. They've got a blue note in the amp. They need one more to get that blue amp ready for amplification. Fondy Fire takes aim up and in for the Fond du Lac machine into that speaker. A note falls just short for Loretto Lightning. They're going to pick that up and retry. Still just 6 points separating these alliances, a little over a minute, so a lot of time left to play. But these teams are showing you why they are here in the finals of Lure. Referees calling penalties, eagle eyes from the far side, making sure these teams play fair. 21-43, that's Team Tobor, one of your Eau Claire teams, picking up a note in the blue source, now making their way back, taking aim in front of the blue subwoofer, up and in, followed by Fondy Fire. Those two got into an amplified blue speaker. Loretto adds a third. That'll be 15 points for blue, but red pulling away a little bit here. Red has an amplified speaker as well. We'll see if those two shots by 87-44 and the RoboHawks count for 5 points. 23 seconds left. Teams starting to think about the end game. There's a lot of robots on this field that can climb. Several on the Blue Alliance, so even though they're down by a little bit, they could catch up here in the final seconds. We see a shot up and in for Loretto Lightning. Fondy Fire trying to reload with 6 seconds left. Here comes Leviathans up in the air. Nicely done. Can Fondy get up as this match expires? All right, let's take a look and see who's going to take a 1-0 advantage in the finals. It's going to be your Red Alliance, setting a new event high score, 98 points to Blue's 75. That will put Alliance number 3 up by 1 win. However, Blue's not out of it yet. This is best 2 out of 3. So both of these alliances will go back, change their batteries, and get set for finals match number 2.